Hi guys, my name is Krish and welcome to my channel Krrish&Abhi, and today I'm going to show you how to make paper boats. Get started. So first we're going to keep our paper horizontal, fold it in half while it's horizontal. Now you're going to flip it like this so it's vertical. Now fold it in half again and then unfold. So now this step is going to be kind of like how you make an airplane. You're going to take this corner, fold it to the fold. Take this corner and do the same. Okay. So here's your boat. Now we're going to take this little piece, put it over here, as well as this little piece, and same. You're going to have to make sure that this piece is here. Now flip it over. Now do the same. And then this is how it should be looking like on the front, and this is how it should be looking on the back. So now we're gonna take our paper, fold it up like this. So and then flip it over. Do the same. Fold it up. So now you're going to now there's a big hole here. Take these two sides and keep on opening it until it's a diamond. Now our boat looks really big. Now there's a big hole again in here, but you're not going to open it. You're going to take this corner and make it look like a triangle. Now you're going to flip it over and do the same. Make it look like a triangle. So now you can see there's again a hole, but this time it's medium size. So you're gonna do the same. Open it up. If you want to make it smaller, you're gonna take this and then this again and then do the whole thing again. But now here comes like the egg part, like something hatching out of an egg. Now our boat is going to hatch out of the egg. And it has hatched out of the egg, but it's not ready yet. There's a hole here, but you're not going to open it. You're going to open it a little so it can stand. So now we're done. Two little twins boats. How are you doing? You can see now these are looking very beautiful. You can also try, but they're not done yet. We still have the color. At the bottom, green here and gray around here and orange over here. So and this one is just a blue everywhere. Hope you like my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.